Hello everyone, it's Adam here. We have a K75RT. It's the ABS model, not that that matters, but any K75 K100 has the exact same foot peg. So assuming that your foot pegs are worn out, as mine are, if you look underneath you can see that this actually extends all the way around, this rubber. So it's on the bottom too. So we're going to remove this and we're going to replace it with a new set. Here's the part number for anyone interested. Now, getting this off is actually pretty easy. You just gotta cut it off. Just like that. Let's have our replacement foot peg, or foot peg cover. Get that cleaned up a little bit. Just get that lubed up there. Easy peasy. And it's going to be a little bit goopy, but it eventually will be just stuck there good. Let's do the other side. Same thing, different angle. But up here, there's a little bit of an adhesive in here. So if this is coming back loose, I'll use some adhesive in there instead. There we go. Slide that right back on. Perfect. Thanks for watching.